Hello guys, this is Mohsen AR from Signbox software, and in this tutorial we will cover a topic: identifiers in Java. What is identifier and how can you declare identifiers in a Java? We will cover in this video. Okay, so identifiers in a Java. Let's start with a simple definition. Identifiers in Java. An identifier is a name given to the method, a variable, or any other user-defined item. Okay, you can also say identifier is a name given to the method, class, okay, a variable, or any other user-defined item. Okay, so identifier is like an identity. Okay, identity of any method, class, or a variable. Okay, so now how can you write identifier? Java provides some restriction to declare or write identifier. Okay, what are the restrictions? You can start a variable name by using underscore, and this is simple, a word in English. Okay, so you can start with the underscore, you can start with the $sign. Okay, these are two special characters only allowed in Java. Okay, remaining special characters are not allowed as an identifier in a Java. You cannot use a simple hash symbol with a hi or any other English word, or you can say you cannot use a hash as an identifier in a Java. Okay, so H capital high 12, you can use this as an identifier in a Java. Okay, high, this one you can also use like this. Both are different, okay, in a Java. Why? Just because of Java is case sensitive language. Okay, okay, Java is case sensitive language. Okay, these two are different. Okay, and you can also declare a variable name like this: one word, then underscore, another word. Okay, hi underscore hello. This can be a one identifier in a Java. Okay, so what you cannot start identifier with the numeric value like this one or like this one, but you can end identifier with the numeric value like we have, like I have mentioned earlier. Okay, you cannot start identifier except underscore or $sign. You cannot start identifier with the hyphen symbol, or not ends with the hyphen symbol, not starts with the hash, not ends with hash. Okay, this high and this high and this high are different in a nature, or different as identifier in a Java. Okay, but you can also use like this one: $sign underscore dollar underscore dollar underscore. Okay, this can be also an identifier name in a Java, but it's not a best practice. Okay, it's a bad practice. Okay, so now what you cannot, how you, sorry, so this should be what you cannot. Okay, so other than this, okay, you also cannot use reserved keywords as identifier. What are reserved keywords? Let me show you. Okay, these are reserved keywords. There are 50 reserved keywords in a Java. 48 are currently being used in a Java. 2 are not. Okay, what are 2? These are go to, okay, number 1, and other one is a const. Okay, const. Okay, so these two are reserved, sorry, these two are not used in the Java, and remaining other 48, there are 50 keywords in a Java, 48 are being used and 2 are not used. Okay, and but okay, so now you cannot use if. Okay, this is also reserved keyword. Private is also reserved keyword. This is also reserved keyword. Do is also reserved keyword. So you cannot use if, this, do, or these. Okay, you cannot use these keywords as an identifier. But now see the difference. T is a capital, so this can be used as identifier in a Java. So now let me check it in this previous program. So int height equal to 10. Okay, this is a keyword, this is identifier, and this is primitive types, which we will discuss, might be possible in next video. Okay, so this high is identifier. Int $ high equal to 20. Int underscore high equal to 30. Int $_ equal to 40. Int if equal to 50. Okay, now see, this is showing me the red line. Okay, just because of its error in a Java. Okay, you cannot use a reserved keyword in a Java, but if you want to use, you can make it like this. Okay, now this is not a reserved keyword. Okay, I place underscore before reserved keyword, understood, and I capital if this is equal to 60. Okay, now I can use this, understand. So let me compile. Okay, now let me compile this program. Control Save and Java C. So now let me remove so that you can see the changes. Compile, compiled fine, and Java C hello world. Okay, now see, executed perfectly. Okay, so if I place a hash before this, now let's see, will it compile or not? Now see, giving me the 2 errors. If I make it smaller, then let's see, 5 errors. Okay, if I place underscore before this, so guys, in this video we have covered identifiers in a Java. So identifier is something like a hello world is identifier of a class. This main is also identifier of a class. This args is identifier of the class. These are identifier. Okay, so now if I simply remove these lines, now if I ask how many identifiers in this class, so this is identifier number 1, identifier number 2, and identifier number 3. Okay, so how many identifiers in this class? There are 3 identifiers, okay, in this class. Okay, I cannot find any other identifier. Oh, sorry, this is also identifier. 2 comma 3. Okay, not 3, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4, and this is a 5. Okay, there are 5 identifiers in this class. Hello world is the name of this class. Main is the name identifier of this main method. String is also a class. This is a predefined class. And args is a variable, okay, or parameter. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Okay, so there are 5 identifiers in this class. Okay guys, so thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. If you like this video, press on the like button and also click on the bell icon so that you can get notification about my further videos.